We are about to start a dream project of mine right here. This gravel area has seen some changes over the last few years. Soon after we first moved in, we built a privacy fence and added a pea gravel area that soon became one of my favorite spots of the house. I don't love, however, the weeds. Yeah, always use a plastic weed barrier. A few years ago, we turned this spot into a fire pit area that we probably used once. So today we are starting a project that I have been begging for a while now.
No, a pool.
Yep, we finally bought a pool, but it's still in the box because it just came today. But with me being very pregnant this summer, I want/need a pool really bad. We are about to completely transform this entire space. But first we need to clear this out. And I'm sorry to all the other projects we've done because I have never been so excited to start something. Ew, that is disgusting. Next on the to-do list is take down these lights because they are all pretty much filled with water and they're also very low. We didn't put a bottom in this planter box, so now I'm gonna have to dig all of the dirt out first before I can move it. I think this thing is halfway full of bricks. Whoever built this was smart and put fabric liner in the bottom on top of the brick. So now, in theory, I should be able to cut this into thirds and boop. As soon as there is a lick of water in this pool, I will not be available. Ever since becoming pregnant, I've made it a major priority to take my health and my family's health more seriously. Plus, with all these outdoor projects we are doing, drinking enough water is very important. So today we're installing the WaterDrop X16 tankless reverse osmosis system, and I get so excited to add a product like this to our house to better what we consume every day. WaterDrop is a leading brand in water purification and one of the top 3 water purification brands on Amazon. The X16 has an 11-stage precision filter that is able to filter out 99.99% of harmful substances down to 1/10,000th of a micron. The remineral function infuses alkaline minerals and adjusts the water's pH to an optimal 7.5. The efficiency of the X16 is amazingly good by producing 3 gallons of purified water and only discharging 1 gallon of wastewater. This system is tankless, which takes up less space, and there's no tank that could potentially grow bacteria. The WaterDrop digital faucet gives you filter change reminders and has a TDS monitor, which is total dissolved solids, allowing you to continuously monitor the water quality coming out of the faucet.
Look at there.
This also lets you dial in and dispense a specific amount of water, so every time we bring in our water bottles, we just hit the button and in 6.5 seconds, we are good to go. You can check out the WaterDrop X16 using the link down below, and thank you WaterDrop for sponsoring this video.
Y'all have not seen Molly this excited about a project in a while. She's out here before even I was, getting all this stuff moved out of the way. And today, we're gonna be scraping a lot of this gravel out of the way so we can see if we need to bring in any dirt to make this area level for our pool. And then the pool is gonna be right there, and we're gonna build some walls around it. But first, we gotta get all this gravel moved out of the way. So,
And we have to stain.
and we need to stain. Lots of little things to do, but let's just get to it. Y'all think the pool would pop if we put it on these rocks? They're pretty small. We could put lots of felt under them. It would make for a really good base if it doesn't pop the pool.
Yeah.
Because it would drain well and we don't have to worry about it washing away.
Yeah.
So it might actually be the move.
They are small. I feel like we should just move it.
Okay, let's
Just
move it.
be safe. Do it right.
Alright. Oh, it's like no gravel in this back corner. On the shovel route, eh?
What's new?
No, if you're really doing much, you're just pouring it right back where I gotta move it. Sure you don't want me to use the tractor?
Go get it.
Alright, so we added in some of the sandy clay that we had piled up somewhere. It's got some junk in it, but it'll work for what we're doing. We're just trying to create a soft pad that's nice and level for this pool to sit on so the water line is, you know, not crooked on the pool. It looks right. And surprisingly, by eye, we got this relatively close, with like within an inch in certain places. So I'm going around with this laser level and just sort of pressing it into the dirt until it's, you know, level with the first spot I made. And I only had to press down about an inch in a few areas. So we're gonna smooth this thing out and then get it nice and compacted, and it'll be ready for the pool. Well, we bought a compactor, a pretty cheap one.
Much needed one though.
Yeah, this thing was like 500 bucks. I think it was actually $450. It cost us like $125 to $150 a day to rent one of these. And we have a handful of projects coming up, like in the immediate future, where we need one. So it kind of made sense to gamble and buy one, and I don't know, maybe we'll use it more often than we think. But if not, we only need to get like 4 or 5 uses out of it to quote pay for it. So
We weren't even planning on doing all this, so
yeah,
and we're using it.
Kind of opens up project ideas, doesn't it?
Yeah,
But we'll see if it's any good.
true. That's the first step, huh?
See if it starts. That's the real first step. This will be the first time trying to start it. Need some ears, because this is going to be loud, I'm sure.
Why'd it pop?
I would call that a pretty good...
That'll be
pretty good box.
nice. Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
we'll see if it lasts a week. Because sometimes these Chinese engines, they...
I can smell it.
Yeah, 'cause you're smelling all that oil burning off of there. These like no-name engine stuff, you know,
Would
sometimes
that
hit
be
and
good
miss.
for the shot though? Like that large of a space?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Yep. I mean, it'll take a little longer, but it hits way harder than I was thinking.
Oh yeah.
Like it hits way harder.
Yeah, like you can't even make a shoe print anymore.
I know.
It's time for our arch enemy.
Oh, we really don't like staining, especially when it's this hot outside. But this stain looked so good on the container that we're just gonna put it on everything we do from now on, so that it all matches.
Yep.
So we're gonna have to. We gotta do 2 coats behind where this pool is. It's gonna be a real pain to do it if we do it once the pool's in, and in all likelihood we'll just absolutely never do it.
Yep.
And then one day this pool will be going away and we'll reveal an unstained area and we'll just look at each other like we didn't spend 20 minutes doing that. So we're helping our future selves. Go get you some lunch.
Please. I'm gonna be smiling like her in a few hours.
So that's 30 minutes. They'll be filling it with water.
30 minutes?
That's what they claim. Well, dang, where's the pool at?
It's like a million pieces. Your sweat.
That's killing me. Someone commented in the last video, stop complaining about the heat, you're wearing pants and a shirt. Well,
That's a sun shirt.
it's a sun shirt. It's supposed to be nice and cool, but you know, it's just 8,000 degrees outside, and
80% humidity.
yeah, and unlike Molly, I don't really like frying myself. This is way better than wearing sunscreen every day of my life.
And the one time you wore shorts last week, you got burnt.
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna go grab a snack.
Well, the wind's blowing us around and we don't have time. Well, say we don't have time. The wind's literally blowing this thing all out of kilter. We're trying to get it as square to the fence as possible. Wow, it's like it's about
I know.
to pour. That'll just help us fill it. So long story short, we're gonna start filling it, and we got a long time before it reaches these holes in the pool for the pump and stuff, and I'll be working on that while Molly works on scooting it around and getting it all settled in. So let's start filling.
Yeehaw!
Oh, yeah!
I'm ready to get in now.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, really?
Pop your shoes off. You gotta start scooting the creases
You're
out.
lying. Take the camera. I'm gonna need a step stool. Oh my gosh, I'm not this top of squat.
Hold this. I need to get in here. I can't miss out on this one. Oh, best project we've ever made, and it's not even like halfway done. Without a doubt, best project. Alright folks, that's all we have for this week. Maybe for the next 6 weeks too. Oh my gosh, what have we been doing? What have we been doing with our lives? This was $230.
That's it?
This pool costs $230 and it brings more joy to me than any other $230 I think I've ever spent. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, Molly.
Put your head under.
Holy cow, this is amazing. The best thing we've ever done.
It only took me 3 years to convince you.
It only took half a day. Is it everything you ever wanted?
Yeah, I could listen to that all day. I need me a float, to have a drink.
A happy girl.
I just need a snack.
I don't know if Molly mentioned this, but the primary reason we're doing this is because it's the only thing Molly's really asked for being pregnant at all. The only thing she really wanted. Yeah, but you know, things we don't treat ourselves before we're pregnant. Now that you're pregnant, your number one thing of like prenatal care she wanted was just a kiddie pool. So we got a bit bigger than a kiddie pool. Now you can really float around in here.
I was this close to getting the dog pool out.
Heck, you can have your baby in here. Yeah, we could have like 4 or 5 people floating around in here.
I don't know if I want that many people.
Wow. Molly, what do we got to do? It's the next day, and we're starting it off with some really unfortunate news.
We have to drain the pool because we decided that we wanted to flip it.
Yeah, for a variety of reasons here, we are unfortunately needing to drain this pool. After putting it up, it didn't really end up being the dimensions that we thought it would be, as well as we realized our original plan wasn't a good one for how we were going to build a surround around this thing. There was a lot simpler way we could do it that would allow us to replace the pool much easier in the future if we need to, and we just think overall it's going to be a better design. However, all of that said, we need to drain the pool. I know this seems like a giant waste of water, and you're right. However, where we live, water is not in a scarcity. It costs us about $3 or $4 for 1,000 gallons of water, just because it is in such abundance here. So we're gonna be watering the grass with this, and yeah, kind of stinks that we have to drain it, but is what it is. This is ultimately gonna be the best thing to do long term. This could be an absolute disaster, or it could go really well. Let's find out, shall we? I think it's more likely going to be a disaster. Oh, come on. They really thought of everything with this pool. I mean, I looked back, we paid $260 for it. You really get a lot for $260.
A lot of happiness.
Yeah, really. I mean, you can spend $260 going to the grocery store these days.
Easily.
So, I don't know about you, but I feel pretty upset when I leave the grocery store these days because it costs so much money. Now, this thing gives me...
Don't slap it like that.
This bad boy gives me joy throughout the entire season. Although I didn't realize how many chemicals we would need to put in this thing, and I've been doing the math on that, and that is a cost. So, you might want to keep that in mind. I'd say it's probably a good, like, I don't know, $100 a season or so.
Nothing compared to a big pool, though.
Yeah, it's very small, so it's limited amounts, but I wasn't thinking about that when we first got it. Come on, let me get my shirt wet.
Your hat's about to get wet.
I think better not have a check valve in it. No, why are we not draining water? What the?
Surely it's not that slow.
Yeah, we got something going on. That should be way more water, way faster. I just read something online about draining one of these pools, Molly. And the garden hose method can take days.
What?
To drain. And we ain't got days. And I ain't got a pump either. We got to figure out a different method of doing this because we ain't got days to wait for this thing to drain. How does it take days for it to drain?
In next week's video, we got the pool drained.
And man, that took significantly longer than we expected.
Repositioned the pool more square to the existing fence, and we got to start working on the fence to surround and cover the pool.
Voila.
Mark your calendars for next Monday because this project is taking shape.